I have a problem in my room.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the issue?
The air conditioner isn't working properly.
I see. Which room are you in?
Room 412.
Thank you. We'll send someone to fix it right away.
And also the TV has no signal.
Understood. Maintenance will check both the same and the TV.
Perfect. One more thing. There's no Wi-Fi in the room.
Oh, I'm sorry. I will reset the router for your room.
Thank you. And the hot water in the shower isn't working either.
I will inform the maintenance team to fix it, the water heater.
I appreciate that. It's been a bit noisy next door too.
I'm very sorry about that. I can ask housekeeping to speak with the neighbor.
That will be helpful.
Would you like a temporary room while we fix this issue?
If it's possible, yes.
We have room for 1-5 available. Shall I prepare for you?
Yes, please. That will be great.
Then housekeeping will help you move your things.
Thank you so much for your quick help.
You're welcome. We'll make sure everything works perfectly in your new room.